This is a really big weekend for you and the following weeks to come, because most of you are out there trying to make your home so beautiful, from entryways to patios to decks, and container gardening is a great way to do it. Like these containers here have perennials and annuals in them, and they're colorful, but these are things we've done for many, many years. But the new trend now really is to have a single statement plant in them, something a little more architectural. So here's a chokeberry, and it's filled in the bottom with colorful annuals as well. It's just finishing flowering a little bit, but then it's going to leaf out, and this one will act a little bit more like a screen, so it's nice to use it in just the right spot. This is another one that's a statement of a rose bush that will bloom all season, and then colorful annuals in the bottom. I've just mocked these up for you quickly. And the rose bush and the shrubs and the trees, you can pull out, winter over and pull out and use another season too, and we can help you with that. Another way to do it is a standalone plant, like for instance an ornamental grass, and you don't have to have anything else in the base, or you can, but that can grow in the pot all season and be pulled out next year as well. This is a gorgeous maple tree, and this is a little different in that it's not a screen, but it has a beautiful trunk on it and a little bit more of a see-through. So if you have landscape behind it that you want to have this an accent to, a foreground to some beautiful landscaping in the background. You can also not put anything in the bottom, but perhaps dress it with some gorgeous polished river stone, something like that. You know, the top dressing can be a great accent for you. So again, this is a great growing trend. We've been doing it a long time, so we can help you with it. You can put your own together, or our landscapers can help you with it too. So come on in and play with us. I'm Casey Krause, Hillside Garden and Landscaping.